How to log in FNB online banking account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your FNB online banking account. So let's get started. So first of all, open your web browser and go to the FNB website fnb.co.za in the address bar. Then tap enter. Then at the top right corner of the home page, you will find the login button. Here, enter your username and password in the respective field. After entering your details, click on the login button. Once logged in, you will be taken to your account dashboard where you can manage your finances, view statement, and many more. And that's it. Login into your FNB account is quick and easy. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.